Renting a moving truck may seem easy, but unexpected costs, wrong truck sizes, and driving challenges can quickly turn moving day into a stressful experience. Here are the most common mistakes to avoid.
One of the biggest issues is choosing the wrong truck size. A truck that is too small may require multiple trips, while a truck that is too large can be harder to drive and cost more than necessary.
Another common surprise is hidden costs. Many rental companies charge extra for mileage, fuel, insurance, moving equipment, and late returns. Always review the full pricing before booking. Driving a large moving truck can also be more difficult than people expect, especially on highways, narrow streets, or when parking. If you are not comfortable driving a large vehicle, this can quickly become stressful. Timing is another major problem. During weekends, holidays, or peak moving season, truck availability can become limited and prices may increase. Booking early can help you avoid last-minute issues. People also underestimate how physically exhausting moving can be. Loading heavy furniture, driving long distances, and unloading everything yourself takes time and energy. The good news is that most of these problems can be avoided with proper planning. Compare costs carefully, choose the right truck size, reserve early, and make sure you have enough help on moving day. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit Movers.com and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move.